Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm gonna be doing a what I eat in a day. I seriously love these videos that are going around YouTube with the what I eat in a days, and I thought I'd do one as a person who is trying to lose weight and eat more healthy and exercise daily. So I just wanted to do this to inspire you guys to also do it too. I usually start to eat something really sweet but healthy, just because like lunch and dinner are gonna be very like salty, savory type of food. So I normally try to eat like oatmeal or waffles or anything. So I'm gonna try to experiment with that because I actually don't know what I want this morning, but we're gonna see. So yeah, click the notification bell and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And yeah, this is the rest of the video. You just saw me eating breakfast and everything. Now I'm about to go to church and set up my Notion setup and do kind of like a Sunday, just relax and everything. Then I'll see you guys back when I eat lunch. Guys, so I just got back from walking 10,000 steps and then I showered. Now I'm eating my little wrap. I have some chicken tender, bell pepper, cheese, and some light ranch. It's really good. You guys should try it. I'll put the recipe on the screen or whatever. But I'm just gonna be eating this. I have to get on to class in about 20 minutes. So I have an acting class today. I'll see you guys back for dinner. Might show you guys some of the clips from acting class. Whatever I do after acting class. I'll see you guys for dinner.
He figured that you would want us.
It is really late. I really wasn't that hungry, but I do want to cook dinner because I want pasta. So I'm making pasta and I'm trying to find like a sauce to put in it because it's not like a pasta that my mom would cook. I'm just trying to cook it on the side because I don't really know how to cook pasta. But I'm going to try to attempt to make a little sauce that hopefully is really good. So yeah, I'm probably going to put like some butter, salt, ground black pepper, some like Parmesan cheese or cheese just in general. Melt it and just try to make a sauce because I don't know how to make pasta with all the fancy sauce. Can't wait for you guys to see it. Guys, the overall main idea is that I can't make pasta. I am finally done with making my dinner. Is it good? Could it be better? Yeah, I just need to work on my cooking skills. It looks really decent. Like, it tastes decent and it looks decent. I like it for what I need for dinner today. This was the video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, comment video ideas in the comment section down below. Subscribe to my channel, watch, click on the notification bell so you know when I post another video. I will not be happy in the morning because I have to wake up at 5 a.m. to do a challenge for YouTube for that video soon. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!